After having such a great time in London, we're finally heading to Paris. Right now, we're on board the Eurostar. The Eurostar takes approximately 2 hours to cross the Chunnel, and it's one of the fastest methods of transportation. We decided to take the Eurostar on this occasion rather than flying to Paris just because it's so easy. We were able to take the train from the St. Pancras station in London, and then from there it was just a breeze. We went through passport control. You go through security, but it's not as intensive as when you actually go through security at the airport. We definitely recommend this option as it is very convenient and you can get to Paris in no time. Jess is here with me on board the Eurostar. Why do you feel like this is the best method of transportation in comparison to maybe taking a plane to Paris?
I just love that we didn't have to spend so much time in immigration. So it was much more fluid, much easier to, just get through and, it's less stressful. And by the way, it was closer to our hotel.
Yeah, because guys, typically if you want to fly from London to Paris, you have to go to the airport and it's usually not centrally located. So it takes about 1 hour to go to the airport. And the same when you arrive to Paris, it's not going to be in the middle of the city. So this is definitely saving time for us. So definitely consider this as a good option whenever you come to Paris. The Eurostar, easy, convenient, and the price is not bad. As a matter of fact, we paid less than $100, so definitely recommend it.
Les cafés métropoles en voiture 8 et 9 sont maintenant à votre disposition. Ils sont situés au milieu du train.
See guys, the train has a little cafe. As you can see, here's the menu. It's called Café Métropole, and then they sell sandwiches, coffee, pastries. Paris is the capital of France and the most populous city in the country. The city is located in the north-central part of France on the Seine River. Paris is a major center for art, fashion, gastronomy, and culture. Some of the most famous landmarks in Paris include the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, the Notre Dame Cathedral, and the Arc de Triomphe. We finally made it to Paris, guys, and look, we have the wonderful Eiffel Tower right here behind me. The highlight of the trip, as usual. We love coming to Paris. Every time we come, we have such a wonderful time. And today, as usual, the Trocadero is just full of people, very crowded. It's really hard to find a place to take good pictures, but if you look for the spot, you can definitely manage it. The Eiffel Tower really is visible from a lot of different parts of the city, so it takes a little effort to find a good spot, but you'll find it for sure, guys. We're gonna continue our tour around the city. We're gonna go look for some clothes, and then we're gonna have dinner at the Eiffel Tower on the second floor in Madame Brasserie, and I can't wait to show you guys the dinner. So stick around and let's follow me along. Paris is also home to many parks and gardens, including the Jardin du Luxembourg and the Jardin des Tuileries. The city has a population of over 2 million people, and its metropolitan area has a population of over 12 million people. Paris is a popular tourist destination, and it is estimated that over 30 million people visit the city each year. The Eiffel Tower was originally intended to be a temporary structure, but it was so popular that it was allowed to remain. Hey guys, so we're currently at Madame Brasserie. We're having dinner at the Eiffel Tower. This is the first appetizer, so it's basically homard. It's made out of lobster and a few other ingredients and looks so good. So this is the second course. It's chicken and asparagus, saddle of lamb, and artichoke cream and French peas. This is the dessert. So right now we have some chocolate mousse, and then we have some lime meringue, and then over here is the profiterole. It's so delicious. After a long day of having lunch at Madame Brasserie and going into the Eiffel Tower, we had such an amazing and wonderful time there. Now it's actually 10 o'clock p.m. and we're ready for our next adventure. We're gonna go out and look for French bakeries, pastries, have a taste of eclairs, croissant, macaron, pain au chocolat, you call it. We will try everything. Right afterwards, we're going to Champs-Élysées. We're gonna take a stroll. We're gonna see what's available, check out the bars, the coffee shops, and just hang around for a couple more hours or until our battery really wears off. Are you excited to go ahead and try out the French bakeries?
Absolutely. Absolutely. We're so excited. We're going to get some macaron. We're going to get some crepes and pain du chocolat.
So pretty much everything, an assortment. How are you feeling tonight?
I am exhausted, excited. It's been amazing. It's just been a lot of energy spent. I definitely want to say the first time I went to see the tower, that's what I think brought tears to my eyes, because it was just such a happy moment. I feel like, you never expect this, and then all of a sudden it's right there in front of you. So it was an amazing experience. Yes, that probably was my best.
So cool. What would you say your battery level is at right now?
5% and going down until I get a crepe, and then maybe I'll feel a lot better.
So after a long day of walking, we finally found the perfect place to have crepes. It's actually 1 o'clock in the morning here in Paris, and we came to the crepe station. We ordered some hot dogs, some banana and Nutella crepes, and strawberry and Nutella crepes, and they're absolutely delicious. Definitely recommend it. One of the few places that we found open at this hour, so it's absolutely good.